Hello everyone, Mouse Coding here. Welcome back to your expense monitor that we've been programming using PHP, MySQL, and JQuery, JavaScript, and Ajax with Bootstrap. In the last video, we created this display. This is where we're displaying all the incomes that the person has pushed in the income form, as well as the total expenses and the income balance. So the income balance is a mathematics of total expenses subtracted from total income, then it shows you the income balance. So now what we're going to work on is do the display that shows all the income sources as well as all the expenses. So let's begin. Let's go back to our code. I think it's this code. And then here, I think I'll do this instead of putting a background. Just put box shadow 0, 5 pixels and border radius let's say 3 pixels. Yes, bring something like this. We can even add text shadow, but I think this is okay for now. So instead of margin left, I'll do just a margin 10 pixels so that the margin is everywhere. You can see there are even bigger gaps somewhere or in the middle somewhere there. So these are the income structures. So now let's get to build on the other incomes, on the income display. So I had commented out this, but now I'm going to uncomment them as we want to show all the incomes that are coming through. And I think I'm going to have an error if I don't change this from row 2. I'll actually change these instead of query row 2. So I'll just say key P. So this is going to be key. But what we're referring, this query that we're calling is this, because this is a display of all income sources as well as the income values. Then we use the for each so that we can display each one of them one by one. So we broke out of the PHP here, and then here we can push in some div class or incomes. Then we say which will be what you are URL, an ordered list structure, an ordered list. PHP echo income name so put dots here, PHP echo currency PHP echo income amount. So far that's what we've done. Okay, we can display these: cash at hand, salary, this is cash at bank, then salary, and then we can see the amounts. So we can even put these in a span like this.
It's 17 hours.
Span. Try class called pull right, so that you see this will be put to the other end. Okay, so you can see cash at bank, and then the amount, salary, you can see the amount as well. So in that aspect, you can remove this, and then we'll say this as then we can style this, put it like this. Dashed 4 pixels. So you can see what we have so far. So this is the incomes. So we need a title to say incomes. Now we also need to display. So I can put a title just down there. Let's say H4 plus text center income sources, then put up something like that, income sources. Then down here we can add the here where we close, we can add another H4 plus text center, say expenditures or expenses, HR. So expenses will be listed down here. I think that let me remove the dashes from there. Anyway, it doesn't matter. The CS doesn't matter. What is important is the output of information. You can display the information in any manner that you feel. If you want it to be in a table format, you can put it like that. So the outlook doesn't matter much. What is important is the information coming out. So for the expenses that we want to call out, mind you, we are still in this display data if set or is set. So, and we have code query 2 where we need to select all the expenses. So let's look at all the expenses that we have. We'll call them one by one. So we're going to create another for each loop. So we'll say PHP for each query 2 as it rows 2. Instead of us giving them variables like we did here, we can just go direct. We can just close here, then we open up again here, and then we start writing. Okay, I'm back. I paused the video when the phone rang. I got a call from one of my friends. Anyway, I was talking about that we are creating another for each here, for each loop here, so that we can get information from the expenses table, so that we can display the expenses just like we displayed the income sources. So we're getting from this, which is the expense, this variable which is calling the expenses table. So let's go ahead, then we are to break out of the for each here, so that we can put HTML here. Let's say div class, I think I'll put the div class outside, so I'll put the div class here, div class expenses div. And here where we are out again, say div. Then here we say another list. Okay, I think let me do an order list here, so that your expenses are counted. Li tab, you get that. Then you say PHP echo rows to, then expense name, expense name. You come out with that tag, you create another PHP tag, PHP echo rows to parents. Come out again, PHP echo rows to expense amount. So let's go and try what we have. And define index expense amount. So it was supposed to be amount, so amount. Okay, tuition fees. The another list is just giving us one, like everything is one, so we have to work with that. So just do F, then you just get it. These are the expenses where that you have been spending on. You can also do a span here, like you span this. You add a span tag here, so that you can say class. Alright. Then you can see the amounts here against the expense name. So we can create more space here, so that it can tally. So let's try to add a bit of stuff here. Let's see, expense div, background, the marker, padding 5 pixels. here. So these are the expenses. Then you can give them some color. And the amounts here. So each time that we add something, we're going to add in a short while, and you see how it's going to display here. So let's add, say, you did a yard sale and you got about $4,300. So you can see immediately that the $4,300 has already been added, and the name here is yard sale, and on your total income is showing at 10,101. Your total expenses standing at 4,550, and your income balance has grown. So this is the total income that you have against these expenses. So we can create a way, like in case maybe you spell it the wrong way, we'll create buttons to edit, to remove, as well as we'll create buttons to edit the amount and also to remove in our next video. Please remember to subscribe to the channel so that you can learn more and you can get notifications when we post a PHP project or any other project that we will create in the future. And in the future we will start working with Python, Kotlin. Share the video so that others can learn what you're learning as well.